Looks like Houston Garrison not making it out. But show moves on, and we're green. Everyone clears the flag stand. Into 1 and 2. Kevin leads. Here comes the 87. Nick Arthurton to the inside. Slides his way up into second with a power glide. Out of 2. And now rolling out of 4. Lap 1. Kevin Wasserman. Nick Arthurton. And then the 96 of Jonathan Mitchell. Here comes Arthurton for the lead. Rolling into 3, and he falls back. Everyone kind of slides up the track in 3 and 4, but at least they're widening it out. Should make for some better A-feature time. And now here comes Nick Arthurton to the lead down the inside, and he got it down the back straightaway. Yee doggy. Kevin Wasserman now going to try to cross him back, but no. Nick Arthurton now your leader for Heat 1 of the Fender Fighters of Factory Stocks. Down the back stretch, Nick Arthurton, Kevin Wasserman, Jonathan Mitchell, and Jonathan high in 3, dives to the inside. Whoo, that was almost a close one. Hello. And, man, almost a close one again. My gosh. That's the factory stock fun right there, folks. White flag coming for the 87 of Nick Arthurton. Arthurton leading in 1 and 2. Down the back chute for the final time. Arthurton gonna power slide his way into 3 and out of 4. He'll see checker flag, Heat 1 win for the factory stocks. And, man, they got into it out of 2 there. Ha-cha-cha. Payback was served, I would say. It's Kevin Wasserman second. And then the 77X of Dustin Robotham, Jonathan Mitchell, Tabor Gorb rounding him out. And we're green for Heat 2 of the factory stocks. Ricky Bledsaw and Sean Brownlee. Brownlee on the bottom, Bledsaw on the top. Brownlee slides it to Bledsaw out of 2. Down the back straightaway. Brownlee going to lead into 3 and 4. Bledsaw on the bottom. Lap number 1 will go to Sean Brownlee in the 41. Sean Brownlee. Good to see everyone widening out the racetrack early on. As Brownlee, Bledsaw, Keene, Double D, and then Roberts as they get strung apart early on. Aaron Keene in the 24, slowly closing the rim gap between him and the 20 RB. Ricky Bledsaw down the back straightaway. Keene right there in pursuit. A good run from the 20 RB. Ricky Bledsaw here running down your leader, the 41 of Sean Brownlee. They all go on midline, up track in 1 and 2. Here comes Bledsaw. Gets into Sean Brownlee. They both get into it. Aaron Keene able to capitalize. Oh, man. Factory stocks do not disappoint, I tell you. And now Sean Brownlee going to come to a slow halt on the top of 1 and 2, and he's going to bring us the yellow. And so we'll go green out of 4, single file. Ricky Bledsaw, and we're back. Aaron Keene quickly off to the bottom. This is his moment of opportunity to get to the front, but it didn't work. Now Double D on the back of Keene. And now Timothy Roberts inside to Double D. White flag for Ricky Bledsaw. Double D holding on to 3rd. And Ricky Bledsaw, your leader, gets loose. Keene now to the point. Bledsaw trying to hold it off down the back straightaway. One fatal mistake is all it took. Aaron Keene, your Heat Race 2 victor. Ricky Bledsaw, Double D, Dwayne Davis, and Timothy Roberts rounding them out. One fatal mistake is all it takes, and unfortunately for the 20 RB, it came on the last lap. But nonetheless, give it up for the 24 of Aaron Keene, your heat race 2 winner for the factory stocks. Tommy Lawley on the pole. Derek Arnett on the outside, and we're green. Tommy gonna lead us off. Woo, man. The X99 really went up there. Dalton Garrison to second, down the back straightaway. Garrison slowly showing his nose of Tommy Lawley. Lawley leads lap number 1. Tommy not knowing Garrison right behind. Tommy slides it up in 1 and 2. Garrison right there on the tail bumper. Tommy Lawley into 3 and 4. Everybody running their own line. Oh man, Garrison really had to hit the brakes there to avoid getting into the rear end of Tommy Lawley. And Bobby Wolf working the 5 of Keith Slett. And now Dalton Garrison to the inside of Tommy for the lead out of 4. Garrison going to put the slide to him at the flag stand. And at the same time, Keith Slett will come to a stop in turn number 4. Yellow coming out for Keith Slett. And so looking them down, going green, out of 4, Garrison. And we're back underway for the final heat of the factory stocks. Derek Arnett with a nice run on the outside for Tommy Lawley. Lawley holding off. Derek Arnett driving away, puts about a car length distance between him and Arnett. They'll see 2 laps remaining, 2 more to go for Dalton Garrison. Dalton Garrison leading good and clean. Bobby Wolf working on the outside. Caleb Hull for 4th. Hull slided up to him on the back stretch. Bobby Wolf trying all he can. White flag cometh. And Bobby Wolf got around Hull. Now working Derek Arnett for 3rd. And Wolf now up to the 3rd spot. Down the back straightaway for the final time. And out of 4, checkered flag, Dalton Garrison, Tommy Lawley, Bobby Wolf, Derek Arnett, and Caleb Hull rounding him out. And give him a round of applause. The X99 Dalton Garrison, Heat 3 winner for the factory stocks.